Welcome to Quick Money Club, an environment where we share simple ideas on how you can start making money online today. Make sure to subscribe to the channel because it inspires me to share more tips and tricks about earning money online. Hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on any of my videos. You're about to discover one of the most basic methods of making money online. Today, I'm going to show you a website where you can earn $10 for every 2 minutes of work you put in. But there's a catch. It won't work if you're too lazy to watch the entire video. So if you're serious about making money online, you must follow each and every step outlined in this video. This is completely free and it works all over the world. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. So let's get this video started. The initial step is to go to google.com. You may access Google from any device, whether it's a mobile phone, a PC, or a laptop, as long as you have internet access. As always, I will explain everything to you in detail, step by step, so that anyone can follow along with me during this video. And you will be ready to go and start making money as soon as the video ends. As a result, I'd like you to follow my instructions to the letter. Go to google.com now. The step 2, which you must perform while on Google, is to search for the phrase Capterra. Now, I want you to open this initial website, capterra.com. It's a platform that will pay you to submit reviews for various software and programs. You don't have to buy any of the software. You are not required to use them. All of the tasks can be completed in less than 2 minutes. And as always, I'll show you how to complete it step by step. As you can see, there are over 700 distinct categories to go through. So there are software and programs for over 700 categories. And each category has 100 different products to examine. So you can review all of the digital products that are now available online and get paid $10 for each one. Now I'll teach you how to make $10 over and over again without ever having to acquire any software. This genuinely works, and many people profit from it. As you can see, there are over 1 million reviews. And you can do the math to figure out how much money people have already made from Capterra.com. You might be wondering why they give you $10 for each review you submit within about 120 seconds. That's because if the products have more 5-star reviews and positive feedback, they'll have more social proof and be able to sell a lot more. As a result, they'll pay you $10 for 2 minutes of your effort. Once you've arrived at Capterra.com, the third step is to click on the Write a Review page. So simply click Submit a Review and you'll be taken to the next page, where you'll find thousands of free companies and thousands of software to review. You may also use the search box to look for their products and company names. As I previously stated, if someone wishes to purchase software or digital products right now, they are more inclined to search and learn about it online before purchasing it. As a result, if the product has positive ratings, customers are more inclined to purchase it, which is why Capterra is willing to pay you to write reviews. Well-known products such as Microsoft's Dynamics 365, FreshBook, HubSpot, and QuickBooks are available for reviews. You may earn money by writing reviews for these and thousands of other software. The website has a wide range of software, from business to customer service software to day-to-day data collection software, and so on. You will get real money for each of the ones you review. Let's imagine you're looking to elevate QuickBooks software. Rather than clicking on it and immediately starting to write, copy the product's true title and paste it into Google, then search for that software review. There are several reviews about it on various websites and from different persons. You may even find user reviews by Capterra.com. You may now see what other people had to say about QuickBooks in their reviews. This section will allow you to evaluate the software without needing to purchase it. Don't copy and paste other people's reviews because you won't make any money that way. You can only get an idea from their reviews, which will save you a lot of time and money because you won't have to spend hours learning about the software on your own. You may simply take the most relevant pros and cons from their reviews, as well as their overall impressions of the product, and write your own review. I will give you an example of how you will get paid by writing a review. Select any software you'd like to examine and click it. Fill in all of your information completely. When they ask you how much you use the Capterra platform, select Daily or Weekly and then click the Next button after filling in all the facts. They will now require you to write a review and provide a rating to their products. It is preferable to give positive ratings and reviews because this enhances the likelihood of being paid. You can look at what other people have written and just write it in your own words when you have to write the reviews. Don't just copy and paste it from somewhere else. Similarly, you can also write the pros and cons in this manner. The more information you provide, the more likely you are to be rewarded because the owners will gladly embrace it. Accept the terms and submit the review by clicking the Submit button at the bottom after you've completed everything. The key to make excessive amounts of money is to pick a niche. The category in which you have most expertise, say you're an accountant, so you must pick software that are accounting-based so you can pass your best judgment along. If you are a teacher or a developer, you will be able to perform best in your field. And there is no shortage of software that needs your expert advice. Your income may not increase by the level of your knowledge per se, but you will be able to perform more efficiently than people who are either intermediate or beginner level, since you will be able to give expert opinions rather quickly. Before we wrap up today's video, I would like to ask all of you guys to regularly check the channel if notifications are not turned on, because you don't want to miss out on the great opportunities and new ways of making money. Remember, my goal here is to give you guys ideas to achieve financial freedom. It will take you less than 2 minutes to complete this task, and you will earn $10 without having to invest anything. And as you know, you can review as many softwares as you like from Capterra.com. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, don't forget to like it and tell us in the comments section below. Be sure to subscribe to this channel with notifications turned on so you may never miss any of the amazing stuff we have in store for you.